We got two swings here, down the line and face on. The down the line is the first swing we did to analyze with Bob, and this is where we made some decisions about what we want to do with the golf swing. One is we want to do a better job of keeping the feet planted through impact and make sure that the right knee moves towards the left knee or towards the target, not towards the golf ball. And what we're going to see here is we'll just draw a line here where he is at his setup position. So he starts at his setup position with his knees right there and his butt right there. Now what's going to happen is he's going to move the right knee towards the golf. See how far the right knee has moved? Can we see that here? The right knee has moved a long way, several inches towards the golf ball, and the butt has moved away from where it started, which creates a lifting sensation. You can see how much his head is lifting up, and he's pulling away from the shot. His struggle had been solid contact, which is generally controlling the bottom of the swing arc. Well, you can't control the bottom of the swing arc if you're not moving towards the target, but rather up and down. We can see that his club has moved a long ways, but he's got absolutely no hip rotation at all. The right heel is off the ground. That tells us that all the weight is on the right toe. If I blow this up a little bit, move it over, you can see how far off the ground the right heel is coming, and then it gets stuck there, and he can't rotate through. What that's going to do in the long run is put a tremendous amount of strain on the lower back because the back is trying to turn and he's stopping it. So what we wanted to do was make a change there. We wanted to get a little bit more swing from the ground up, have the feet a little more solidly planted, and then, as everybody knows, we want to end up on the toe of the right foot, but we don't want any weight on that toe. So let's take a look at the face-on view where you can see the changes he made because he's a good athlete. We've got a really good setup here. The hands can be a little further forward, but not bad. A little sway off the power line, not bad. But now watch the hip action here. See the knee now? The knees are moving to the target. Look how he's moved into the power line. Notice that the shaft now is almost parallel with the trail leg as the trail leg's knee moves into the shot. The golfer's feet are still fully planted on the ground, and you can see a little bit of rolling to the inside of the ankles on the right foot. It extends down the line, shifts all the way through, right knee comes to the left knee, and he ends up in a nice balanced position. That's what he's going to practice this week, over and over again, rolling to the inside of the right foot so that we transfer our weight towards the lead side. We know that force is mass times acceleration, so to put more force on the golf club, we have to have more mass moving to the target.